Hello and a very good morning to all my lovely students. Today we will move to our next chapter, chapter number 5, the Samurai Warrior and the Tea Master. And what kind of story it is? It is a picture story. Just like an animated movie, you will see all the pictures and from there you will learn the story. Learn about the story. Many centuries ago, in Japan, there was a warrior community known as the samurais. The samurais were the master of their mind and body and skillful swordmen. Read this story of one such samurai, Lord Yamanouchi. Means it is a story of a Lord Yamanouchi. And what kind of person he was? It is actually a story, very old story of Japan, where a community of warriors known as samurais. And they were very skillful and along with that they were very wise and they were very good swordsmen. Means वो लोग तलवार बहुत अच्छा चलाते थे and along with that they were master of their body and mind. Means उनका mind and along with that their body were also very good. Lord Yamanouchi was a wise man and a respectable lord at the emperor's court. A tea master worked in the service of Lord Yamanouchi. Means Lord Yamanouchi, what kind of person he was? He was very wise man and along with that he was a very respectable in emperor's court. He was having a service person who used to serve tea. I am pleased with your work. I give you the title and rank of a samurai warrior. You will now wear the samurai clothes. And who is saying this? Lord Yamanouchi was saying this to his servant, his tea master. And he was very pleased with his services. So he has offered him the rank of a samurai. And along with that, he has also asked him to wear the clothes of a samurai. Means, have a look at the clothing, at the dressing sense of those peoples, what kind of dresses they used to wear, and they were always having their sword with them. Thank you, my lord. And in reply, the serviceman has said thank you, means he has accepted that rank. The Japanese tea ceremony is a graceful ritual of preparing green tea. The utensils, the sitting arrangements for both the guest and the host, the steps of preparing, serving and drinking tea are all predefined. Means it is a Japanese ritual where they used to prepare green tea and everything is fixed in that ceremony. Means the sitting arrangement for the guest, the host, the utensils, the preparing steps and how to serve the tea. Once Lord Yamanouchi and the tea master went on business to the great city of Edo. One evening, the tea master and his friends were taking a stroll. Once what happened? Lord Yamanouchi and his tea master, they went for a business trip. And where they have gone? They have gone to great city of Edo. And one evening, when the tea master was moving with his friends, now what has happened to him, we will see. Suddenly they came face to face with a samurai warrior. The tea master stepped into the drain on the side to let him pass. And what happened? Suddenly they faced a samurai warrior, a real samurai warrior. And what happened? To give him a side, the tea master stepped back and after that what happened? He fell into the side of a drain. What kind of samurai warrior? What kind of samurai warrior would step into the drain to let another warrior pass? He sure is an impostor. And that warrior, he was very surprised that to give him a pass, although he thought that as he was dressed like a samurai warrior, he thought that he was a samurai warrior, the tea master, and so he thought what kind of warrior he is that to give him a side, to let him go, he has he himself moved back. So he thought that he must be an impostor, means he was not a warrior. Who are you and what rank do you hold? And he has asked him that who that person is and what is his rank. I am a tea master and I am in service of Lord Yamanouchi. And the tea master has replied that he is a tea master and he worked under the service of Lord Yamanouchi. What? A tea master wearing a samurai dress? And he was very surprised to know that a tea master was wearing a samurai dress. I challenge you to a duel. He who wears the robes of a samurai must fight like a samurai. And what happened? That tea master was challenged by that samurai warrior that he must fight a duel with him just because he was wearing a samurai dress. Sir, the middle of the street is no place for a duel. We will inform you of the time and place. And he has replied that in the middle of the street we cannot fix time and place. So he asked for some time. Don't worry, we will give him money and ask him to leave. Who is saying these words? His friends, that tea master's friend. They are saying that no need to worry, because he was very worried after listening about the duel, as he was not a real warrior and he was very afraid to fight a duel with a warrior. So his friends were consoling him that they will give him some money so that he will leave. No, this will be shame to my family and Lord Yamanouchi as well. I have 1 day and 1 night. I will learn to fight. And what did that tea master has said? He has said that this is going to be shameful for him and his family, and along with that his master also, as he was having 1 day and 1 night. He will learn how to fight a duel. If he don't agree, we will seek Lord Yamanouchi's help. And the friends were saying that if he will not agree, then they are going to take his master's help. Lord, please teach me how to fight like a samurai warrior. I have 1 day and 1 night to learn. And he has went to his master and asking him to teach him how to fight like a warrior. I surely will, but first prepare a cup of tea for me the way you always do. And what did his master ask him? He has asked him to prepare a cup of tea for him, as he always used to prepare. Means no need to worry, as he always, with that confidence only, he will prepare the tea. Excellent. You don't need to learn to fight. The way you make tea with confidence and peace of mind is the way you will face the samurai warrior tomorrow. And after taking the tea, what did the master has said? That it tastes really good, and he has also asked him to face the warrior just in the way he has made the tea with a confidence and peace of mind. The next day, the tea master did exactly what Lord Yamanouchi asked him to do. And next day, what happened? He has done all the things as his master has asked him. He looks so confident. I think I was tricked. He is a samurai warrior indeed. And who is saying these words? That samurai warrior who wanted to fight with him. He thought that he is so confident that he was very surprised to see the changes in him, and he thought that on that day he was making fool of him. I am sorry if I was rude to you. You truly are a samurai warrior. I don't I don't wish to fight with him. And that samurai warrior has surrendered before the duel only. That he has asked sorry, and along with that he has asked sorry for his misbehavior also. And he also surrendered his he has taken his speech that he was not a samurai warrior. He has said that he is truly a samurai warrior, that tea master. So the story is finished. Now what did you learn from this story, students? What is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is that we must face the problems and difficulties of our life with confidence without losing our self-esteem. Okay, bye-bye.